Hello everybody, my name is Dan from Triangle X and welcome to another tutorial in the simple Python series. So today we will talk about converting variable types. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm here back in Replit, and if you remember from the first tutorial, me and Shimon showed you variables in Python, so I can just say that x equals 4 and x will be an int variable. So now what I can do is print the variable, so print and just x, and if I run it, it will just print here 4. But what I can do is type before I type the variable str, then x, and if I run it now, it's 4, but it's a string 4. Okay, so if I do that, I can type it. No, I don't know why call it. It will be, I don't know, is bigger than 2 or something. I don't know. So now I can print y plus str x, and if you run it, wait, haven't thought about it. Maybe this. I don't. I'm not an expert on printing in Python, so basically you get my idea. It should be actually here. Okay, you know. Okay, so now with that you can actually do a lot of things. You can take an int user input and actually use it in a sentence or something. So I will teach you very fast about user input. So let's say that num, I call it a variable named num. It's an int input of it's an int input with enter a number. Then what's wrong? What? Oh, okay, fine. So now I can say print. No, let's say this. Oh no. It's not gonna be an int, it's gonna be a string. Okay, and now I want to have a variable called y, which is let's say 4. Sure. So now I can say print, then int num, and comma no, plus y is equal to Oh Jesus. Okay, so just that. So if you can see it here, if I remove these, I can say enter a number, but once I try to print my input number with my, which is a string, with my y variable, which is an int, it can do it. It must be a string, not an int. So now if I surround it here and string, I can run it, enter 4 again. Oh, damn it. Int. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Number 4, and it's 8, because 4 plus 4 it's 8. It can be a Q. Anything else. Okay, enter, and no, this, but plus 4. So that's all I got for today. I'm sorry it's kind of messed up. I'm really tired. I had a very late night's sleep. So thank you all very much for watching. Hope you learned, hope you enjoyed, and I see you next time. Bye.
Let it go, make my body go. Make our bodies high.